Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Baku, and we're in the old city. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site here. We're going to look at the Maiden Tower. This is a humongous tower that's 29.5 meters tall. It actually has a diameter at the base of 21 meters, and the walls at the base are 5 meters thick. It's cool. It's colossal. And there's even a well down below that goes 21 meters down. Now, they originally think this was used for some kind of rituals, and then later on it was repurposed into like a lookout tower, different eras of occupation here or control of Baku. They used it for different reasons. But today it's just a tourist attraction. So we're going to walk in here, and I'll try to go up to the 100 steps up to the top if it's open, and we'll see what we see. So here is the tower right here, and it's right inside the old city walls, and it's in kind of a cool area. You see all the old buildings and everything. Some of them are under renovation like this, but most of it is quite cool. Just little narrow alleys, everything else all through here. They have little restaurants and things. There's just so much to see in this old area. And we'll go in, and it's near the shoreline of the Caspian Sea. So you can go and do the boardwalk and stuff like that. Yeah, so right down here at the base, these look like some old baths. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can see the little domes over there. And here's some more of the structures that were built around here. Ah, really cool. So if you're a history buff like me, this is definitely something you want to come over here and check out. Okay, so you can do a combo deal. You can get a tour guide for an extra 5 manat. It's 15 manat for each adult. So we got our tickets, and let's go in here. Now 15 manat, it's like 20 baht to one. So it's like 300 baht each person, or like $9 or so. All right, so here's the side of it. Ah, what a fantastic structure. Now the closing time is 7 o'clock is when they chase you out. The last ticket sold is 6:30 in the evening. And if you go over and see the palace, it's 6:30 is the closing and 6 o'clock is the last ticket. So here's our tickets, and I'm sure they'll scan it inside. All right, so there's the hours right there. This opens up at 10 a.m. So this looks like the only way in. Yeah, cool. So a little low overhead. Now Baku, they say originates from the Persian word that means windy city. Oh, we got a spiral staircase that will go up. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, this reminds me of the Tower of Hercules in Spain. Oh, so we have some pottery here. So 12th century. Oh, really cool. And then this goes down to the well, so we won't be able to see it. So that goes 21 meters deep right there. And they got it blocked off. Yeah, so let's go up the spiral staircase. Now, they don't really know the exact date of construction here or its purpose. But with the excavation and stuff like that, they think it was originally built in about the 7th century. And then it was later, like the Sasanian kingdom took over this area, and then they changed its purpose. Ah, this is really, really cool. And it has like a little mini dome here, and they got little nooks over there, and it's dark in here. Oh yeah, oh, so we got a window here. Check out the old stone stairs, they're all uneven. Ah, so they would have been able to look out on the Caspian Sea. Ah, and you can see the pier and stuff out there. Yeah, so we'll go up some more stairs here, so low archway. Ah, really cool. I love stuff like this. Oh, we got a little information booth over here with some displays. Yeah, so here's one of the wooden pillars that they found at the bottom of the Maiden Tower. And they say there's ceramic pipes all through the floors to this whole tower. And it's a little crowded to get up and down these stairs, you can see. And then all through the walls here, they have these little cavities. And I think they might have been load-bearing beams that went across here. More access to the well. And another little window over here. Yeah, they got that window blocked off. Yeah, so it's a little crowded in here, but it's all right. We get to check it out. All right, here we go. One of the observing points. Yeah, so you can see the Caspian Sea out there. And there's another one of those little cubbies that might have had a beam going across. Here we are at another little platform. Yeah, so this is some of the structures that were here in the old city. So that's the palace over there, and we're down here at the Maiden Towers. All right, that's next little platform. And there's another one of them little notches in the wall. And I got a window up here, but you can't climb up there, it looks like. Yeah, check it out. You can see where everybody's touched the wall there, hit their heads, stuff like that. This is unbelievably cool. Another little platform over here. All right, so more stairs. 100 of them or so. So this is pretty cool. So they have a battle sword here that's 14th, 15th century. And then check out this old dagger. So this is bronze. It's 2nd to the 1st century BC. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, and then they got an axe. This is a replica. Yeah, you can see in the wall, these are where those terracotta pipes were at. Or ceramic pipes. Oh, and this is what it would have looked like back in the day. Now the seafront, they built up on it and they pushed it out. I've seen some old pictures where this was actually on the coastline. We got a little spearhead here, so the 1st century. It's made out of copper. So that wouldn't have been very strong. War technology has improved quite a bit since the 1st century. Okay, more steps. Let's go up. All right, we got another little platform up here. That's pretty cool. Lots of little displays in English and in Russian. This in here's got some little 3D things of some of the structures in here, the mosque and some of the other buildings. Keep on going up. And another little level here. It's kind of dark. Looks like they put a projection up on the dome roof, and that's looking down to where we were just at. All right, looks like we're almost to the top now. This is the roof. So they got some plexiglass to keep people from jumping off or falling off. All right, so here's the Caspian Sea. Really cool. And then the Baku skyline over there. And then this is looking back into the old city over here. This is fantastic. All right, so that's the new part of Baku up there. And all this down below here, this is the old city. So you have the flame towers right there. That's the Baku TV tower. And then you can go up there, it's like 10 manat to go up there. And then this is a mall, and then the harbor. And then way over there, that's the 2nd tallest flagpole in the world. It's 192 meters tall. The largest one is in Cairo, which is like 202 meters tall, something like that. And then more of the waterfront here. Now I figured out what this plexiglass is for. It's actually to keep you out of the wind. It is quite windy up here. All right, so we got to see the city, got to climb up here. Oh, this is fantastic. All right, let's go down, and that's the whole tower. Yeah, these old steps are fantastic. The old timers, they didn't use the handrail. They just climbed up here. They were made of sterner stuff than most people. They worked every day of their life to do stuff like this. Yeah, this is definitely not handicap accessible. There's no lift in here. So I would say travel when you can, because when you get old, you got the money and the time, but you can't get into places like this. More windy stairs. You see you gotta squat down to get up here. All right, we're back, almost back to the ground floor here. Last little bit, this little spiral staircase. You can see where the terracotta pipes were in the walls over there. And back out to the ground floor. Yeah, so there's people all over here taking pictures. And little foundations and stuff from the other structures that were here. Well, that'll finish up a video over here at this Maiden Towers. This is fantastic. That was really, really cool. Like I said, it reminded me so much of going up into the Tower of Lugo, or the Tower of Hercules in Lugo, Spain. That's an old Roman lighthouse, and you kind of the same type where you're going up the little narrow staircases and have to duck down and everything like that. Oh, this is fantastic. So getting in here is 15 manat per person, so about what, $9 or so if you want to spend US money. Anyway, it's definitely worth it. If you want to come over here to Baku, I would say do it. Come out here, walk around in this old city. You won't regret it. It is so cool. I've enjoyed every second that we've been here. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and you get to see more stuff like this. And if you're new to the channel, you definitely stick around and you get to hear me talk about places that I go. Most of my videos are from Thailand, but I do show you things of places like this wherever I go, Nepal or Kuwait or, you know, Taiwan, wherever. So anyway, today we're over here in Azerbaijan. So definitely smash a like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. If you've been here, have any questions, I'll do my best to answer it. And until next time, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.